Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to go for number 7 quarter out of 8 from Picksmith's locks that he sent me. This will be an OPOL if I can pull it off, because it actually is in a package. So let's open it up. Let's see, it's a STOCKSLOCKS sliding door lock. I love doing OPOLs. They're the hardest thing to do in lock sport. That's installation. We don't need the screws. Set that aside. Probably going to have to use the vise for this. I got to figure out what goes in here. Bear with me while I figure this out. Nope, that's not going to do it. I guess I'll have to use this. It's too loose. Yeah, not going to fit in there. Well, shit. How the hell am I going to hold this thing? That piece isn't going to work. That's not going to work. That's not going to... None of these are going to work. I just feel all sorts of retarded. Well, that'll have to do. Here's the bitting, by the way. Camera has a hard time. Get that in there nice and tight. This is going to be weird picking this thing. Not really sure how to approach this. I'm not sure how to approach this. Let's give it a shot. I got it. Wow, that was easier than I thought. Hey, Picksmith, I got number 7 out of 8 quarters, buddy. That's an open. Oh, yeah. Thanks for watching. Hey, for those who don't know, I'm going to leave some links in the description below. There's a bunch of subscriber appreciation giveaways going on right now. I've got one going. Nick's Picks got one going. Nigby's got one going. So I'll link their channels in the description below. Check them out. Please check them out. That was excellent. I'm 7 out of 8 right now for Picksmith's 8-quarter challenge. And I hope you enjoyed the new intro. It took me a while to put that together. Shout out to all my subscribers. I'm growing. I'm learning. I'm fighting PD through Lock Sport. Thank you for all your support. I love you all very much. Stay warm. Stay safe. Peace.